Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with HomeAdvisor, complete guide step by step clearly. To budget with HomeAdvisor, start by visiting their website. Create an account to access budgeting tools. Once logged in, navigate to the budgeting section. Select the type of home project you are considering. Enter the estimated costs for labor and materials. Review any suggested budgets provided by HomeAdvisor. Adjust your budget according to your financial situation. Consider setting aside a buffer for unexpected expenses. Utilize HomeAdvisor's cost guides for accurate pricing. Explore the option to compare quotes from local contractors. Keep track of your expenses as your project progresses. Regularly update your budget based on real-time costs. Take advantage of HomeAdvisor's resources for tips on saving money. Stay informed about seasonal discounts and promotions. Revisit and revise your budget as needed throughout the project. Use HomeAdvisor's community forum for additional budgeting advice. Finalize your budget before beginning any work. By following these steps, you can effectively budget for your home project using HomeAdvisor. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.